In just 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to properly wash your wheels at home with some great products. We're starting out today with P&S Hot Shot Degreaser. I use it for the wheel wells and the tires. Next up is P&S Brake Buster, great for cleaning and removing brake dust as well. My favorite part is the IK Foam Pro. I'm spraying P&S Pearl Auto Shampoo just to add some soap and prevent the chemicals from drying on the surface as well. If you don't have a tire brush yet, you do need to get one. These are super handy for cleaning the tire walls. And go grab a barrel brush for the inside of the rims as well. Finally, a dedicated wash mitt and also just a soft detailing brush for the rim faces and lug nut area. Go ahead and blast it all off and you are done. My final 2 tips are to make sure that the wheel is cool to the touch before cleaning and spraying chemicals or water on it, including your brakes and rotors. And if you do want a tire shine, avoid the cheap ones that'll turn your wheels brown. All these products will be linked down below. Subscribe for daily detailing content and comment below if you have questions or want to see specific detailing content.